What is going on? Ted with Grub and Gravel. Listen, today we're going to look at a little camping table that I got sent over to me by a company called VILLEY. Now, VILLEY makes this table in 3 sizes. They're going to make a 15-inch, a 20-inch, and a 27-inch table. All of them are going to be square tables. And you'll see some couple of features inside of here. Very sturdy little unit. Let's take a peek at it. So originally, it comes in a real nice 2-segmented bag so that you can keep your top and your stand separated. Everything fits in there real well. There's actually a little bit of room left at the end here. If there was any other little camping items you wanted to store with your table, if you wanted to throw a light in here, or any accessories you may use while using this table. Let's see what we got inside. Let's see if we can find the compartment with it. All right, so first compartment we got right here is a frame, right? And it's going to be one of those easy setups where you push it out like this, and you're going to see these little notches slide up as you go. And right on the inside here there is a little chrome tab, and that is pretty much the rivet that you're going to move this up to know that you're at full height. All right, as far as height goes, this table right here is going to end up being 20 inches tall as it sits on the ground like this. But what they do have is adjustable legs here on the end. So you'll be able to pop that little clip right there, and then these legs are going to move an additional 5 inches. So you'll get 25 inches out of this. The beauty of these legs is that no matter what surface you're trying to set this table up on, you're going to be able to find level, simply for the fact that all you got to do is drop open these legs, pull them down, each side, and then when you set it on the ground, get yourself level, and then you reach down and you clip those little legs. Get this one down here. And what you end up with is a flat surface. No problems, just because of these adjustable legs. Now, let's see what's in this side. All right, so in this side, what you're going to get is 2 of these beams right here that are plates for the top of the table. And they've got a little slip groove right in here like this, and there's a little screwed in gitchy at the top of these right here. And that's simply going to go over those pieces, slide backwards into position, locks itself right in there. Other side right here. Oh, see if I can find the hole. Giggity. All right, then that pulls right back. Now what they've done is they put really nice branding on these outside inserts right here. All right, so what they've done is this is going to be an all aluminum construction. Keep it nice and light. The little pieces on the end do have a little bit of plastic on the ends that are snapping into position here. But other than that, the frame and these little flaps, aluminum. And then what you have is inside is simply your table surface, right? All right, so then the bottom of this is going to have these little holes right here on the end caps of this piece of flat table. And they're going to correspond to a couple little tabs that are sitting right inside of here. So let's figure out how this goes on. Lay it right in there. This piece right here on this side. Snap right into position. Push it all in nice. This side right here slaps right into position. And boom, you are looking at a very sturdy table with 130 pounds of force that can be applied to it. Now everything is pretty decent. I'm not getting too much wobbling out of it. I'm getting a little bit of shimmy, but I'm not getting anything that wants to let it tip over on me, anything like that. You know what I mean? Just by pushing on one end. A little bit of aluminum construction, like I said, so you're not going to want to get too nuts on individual bars by themselves. But as a whole, you're going to be looking at a nice sturdy spot. Sit it next to your chair. Maybe, like I said, you need something lower. These legs pop right back in. Slide those down. All right, so what they've done is they've put like a little sawtooth inside this leg right here that this clip is going to grip into. So you shouldn't have any problem with it not gripping tight enough, and maybe you set something on your table that wants to collapse, anything like that. As long as these clips are in position, they're gripping onto this little sawtooth that's in here, no problem. Like I said, you need a little shorter table. Bob's your uncle. You're back down to 20 inches. Can be used next to a chair. You know, however you want to do it. If you're sitting on the ground, sitting on a log, things like that. All right, once again, this table from a company called VILLEY. Like I mentioned before, they make several sizes. They make a few different colors. They actually have a couple of styles that are even lighter and more portable than this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to my best price in the description. Check this table out. See if the price is right for you, if the dimensions, you know, if you like the colors. If this seems to be something you're interested in, like I said, take a look at it, check it out. I appreciate y'all.